Hi, welcome to this Red House Kitchen. Today we're going to make Sha Cha Chicken, Sha Cha Chicken. Here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. Cut the chicken into large chunks. I'm using boneless drums here, but sides work well too. Slice the ginger, halve the garlic, and cut the scallions. Sha Cha sauce is the star of the dish. If you're not familiar with it, this is the brand I use. Stir well so the oil on top mixes with the paste at the bottom. Use it to marinate the chicken, along with light soy sauce, cornstarch, salt, and a little sugar. Then coat with a touch of oil to keep the meat juicy. Heat a pan with a little oil. Lay in the chicken and add the ginger and the garlic. Fry until both sides are golden. Pour in half a cup of water. Cover and cook over high heat for a few minutes. Remove the lid and stir in the scallions. Let the sauce bubble and thicken slightly. Now you're ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Let me know how you like this recipe.